Hello students, I welcome you all in this video which is specially prepared for the students of botany. Dear students, due to COVID-19 pandemic, various sectors of world got affected worstly. Education sector, it is also not the exception for this. We learned almost throughout the year by online way. So many subjects, so many courses which are taught or which are conducted by universities in previous year, all we have learned by online way only. Finally, many universities throughout the world, they are conducting examinations of different courses by online way. Most of the questions which are asked in these online examinations are multiple choice type questions, or we may call them as objective type questions. Now our students of many universities, they do not have the practice to solve such type of MCQ questions because they are well acquainted with the descriptive questions and they do not have any knowledge about MCQ questions, how to solve them, and also they do not have any idea which type of MCQ questions will be asked in their examinations. So in this video I brought 100 MCQ practice questions for the students of UG and PG botany, and in this video we will concentrate on the subject plant physiology. So which type of questions will be asked on this subject, that is plant physiology, in your examination. Some questions which are given here, I will show you the entire interface of the Google form prepared by me. All the questions you have to solve by visiting to the link which is provided into the description box of the video. Once you will solve all the quiz, all the questions, you have to submit quiz and then you will get your score. Now let us see how can we visit the URL which is provided into the description box. Now see students, here I have entered this URL. Now you have to go through this URL. This type of Google form, it will be open and you have to enter all the credentials of yourself. For example, name of the students, for example I will enter here like this, email ID and your college name. So everything you have to enter here correctly and you have to proceed. You have to click on next button. You can see here all questions. So here you can see quiz. So here 100 questions which are based on some basic topics of plant physiology, for example nitrogen metabolism, physiology of flowering, and etc. So such type of everything, or the questions which are based on each and every topic, they are given in this Google form. So you have to visit all the questions carefully, solve all the questions honestly, and once you solve all the questions, you have to submit your test. Once you will submit your test, you will get your score, how many marks you get out of 100. Also you will get an idea of wrong answers given by you, and also you can get the correct answers of the all questions. So I request all the students to note down the correct answers of all 100 questions and keep all these questions in your mind with their correct answers. It will definitely help you in your final examination. So this Google form, this Google quiz, it will be very beneficial to all of you for the final examination which will be conducted by your university in coming days. So this quiz, it is very important for all the students. I request all the students to go through the link which is provided here. Also this link, it is provided into description box of the video. You have to visit this link and you have to solve all the questions. This will be the better preparation of your final examination. So I request all the students to go through this Google form very sincerely and solve all the questions and submit test at the particular time or in the given time, so that it will be your preparation for the examination. Manage your time very accurately and solve all questions in given time. So I hope this video will help you for your upcoming examinations. If you like this video and quiz, please like, comment, share, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for your attention.